Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Malika Kansa Inaya. We are from Azhar 55 Yogyakarta. This is my partner.
Hi, my name is Mikaela Khairana Rashika Saputra.
Today we are going to tell you our project, which is Annoying Sound Detector. So, the problem identification is, first, our school has some voice levels and students doesn't like to follow that. Second, our students like to shout all the time in the class, so it's really noisy. Third, the teachers have some hard time to control them. This is the condition when my class is really noisy.
The exploration of our project. Since my class and everyone's class can be noisy because some students like to shout every time even when the teacher is explaining, and it can disturb everyone in the class. Using this device, it can tell whether the class or room is noisy. This device can help the teacher to remind the students if their voices are too loud. Classes can know whether they are being noisy or not by just looking at the light that gets triggered when the room is being noisy. This is the tools and the materials to make our project, the Annoying Sound Detector. 2 pieces of transistor, 4 pieces of resistor, LED and buzzer, condenser mic, 1 pieces of capacitor, 9V battery, battery connector, cable, and switcher.
This is the prototype of our project.
The procedure to make our project. First, prepare all the tools and materials. Second, design the circuit. Third, set the tools and materials based on the circuit.
Testing. This is the annoying sound detector. This will turn on when the class is being too noisy. Let's test our annoying sound detector. Hello. 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 We changed the LED light with the buzzer because we think that the buzzer will be noticed by students more, and we think that it's more effective. And we also add a switcher to turn off the buzzer when the students are all being quiet. Let's retest the annoying sound detector. Hello. 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 Azhar 55 have different voice level rules. Level 0 is no voice. Level 1 is whispered, which means that only one person can hear you. Level 2 is normal. Level 3 is normal voice where everyone can hear you. Level 4 is when you use it to play outside. The problem in our school is that because some students can be really noisy, so we create this device to help the teachers and make the classroom more organized. That's all from us.
Hopefully, the annoying sound detector can solve the problem about noisy classroom in our school.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.